In earlier uploads, we demonstrated various virtual private network solutions, and even listed the top 15 providers available in this category. But today, we'd like to share our 3 favorite VPN products. Number 3. UltraVPN. With geo-spoofing features allowing users to watch region-locked streaming content, this UK-based provider offers a network of 50 servers, complete with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Founded in 2018, Ultra is also friendly to peer-to-peer sharing, with its zero logging policies and a kill switch feature. Number 2. Private Internet Access. Operating over 3,300 servers across 30 countries, this American VPN provider has been anonymizing user traffic since 2010 with its lightweight and unobtrusive app, available on a myriad of devices. And its Tier 1 multi-gigabit private network is available for as little as $333 a month. But our number 1 favorite virtual private network is NordVPN. Founded in 2012, this Panama-based solution believes the internet could be better than it is today. Offering 5,000 plus servers in more than 60 countries worldwide, Nord is available on all systems and devices and uses military-grade encryption to protect its 12 million customers. To try out these products for yourself, click the links below and begin protecting your online traffic today. In the meantime, click or tap the icons on screen to watch a related video and subscribe so you don't miss our future uploads. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.